like to share with you a natural skincare ritual that I do and that involves a TCM superfood. The TCM superfood that I would like to introduce you to is called peach gum. This is what it looks like. It's the resin from peach. When you purchase peach gum, it comes in a hard candy-like form. Listen. See how hard that sounds? In order to be able to ingest peach gum, what I've done is soak it overnight. When you soak the peach gum, it expands and it becomes like a gummy bear. There's no flavor to it, and the texture in your mouth is exactly like chewing on a gummy bear. That's what I find. And so you can see how nice and soft and really mushy it becomes when you soak it in water. Listen. No hard sound. Now it's ingestible. Peach gum is used in desserts and soups. Personally, I prefer using it in a smoothie, which is what I'm going to show you today. The reason why I like peach gum for my skin health is because peach gum is rich in amino acids and plant collagen to help strengthen my skin. I've already added my water, as you can see. Then I'm going to add a banana. I'm going to add some blueberries for some antioxidants, some strawberries for some antioxidants, and some blackberries for more antioxidants. As we age, we become more prone to free radical damage, which wreaks havoc on the skin. And so it's really good to get some antioxidants into your diet. Another ingredient that you can use to put into your smoothie to help with your skin's health is vitamin C. Foods rich in vitamin C include citrus foods such as grapefruit, lemon, lime, and orange. I'm going to go ahead and actually add some lemon into my smoothie. It's already cut. Here's the lemon. Here's an orange. These are all foods you can add to your smoothie to help enhance the collagen effect. I'm going to go right ahead and put that lemon in. Now I'm going to add my peach gum. You can usually add about 2 tablespoons of it every day or every other day if you like. Since I'm vegetarian, I'm going to add a vegetarian-based protein shake. Feel free to add your own protein shake. I'm also going to add some hemp hearts. Hemp hearts are rich in protein. That's looking good. It's looking very nutritious. And you know what? It's also delicious. I know that because I drink it almost every other day. Next step is to blend up the ingredients. Here we go. Let's try it. Nice. Cheers to your skin's health. That tastes delicious. I hope you get the opportunity to make this type of a smoothie using our hero superfood TCM ingredient, peach gum.